For over a decade, two names echoed in every stadium in India, a partnership that defined an era of dominance.
Jadeja-Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja. Together, they were architects of India's fortress at home, making visiting teams question reality.
Let's look at the numbers. In-home tests together, they took over 500 wickets, a staggering figure that turned matches on their head within a single session.
But how? It was a tale of two different geniuses. Ashwin, the scientist, with his carom ball and endless variations. Jadeja, the metronome, with relentless accuracy, attacking the stumps ball after ball.
Their partnership was like a psychological siege. Ashwin would create the doubts, and Jadeja would capitalize on them. A perfect storm of skill and strategy. But now, for the first time in a home test, that partnership is broken. Ashwin has retired. A chapter has closed. A new era begins. Can the next generation of spinners like Kuldeep Yadav and Washington Sundar uphold this incredible legacy? The fortress stands, but its guards have changed. The story of Indian cricket continues to evolve. An unbreakable bond is now a cherished memory, paving the way for new legends to rise.
To see more stories simplified, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel.